Hi, my name's Spencer and welcome to the Lending Front. Today we're going to be talking about two schemes which was introduced by the UK government to help small businesses during the COVID-19 crisis. Them being the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme and the Bounce Back Loan Scheme. Through the video, hopefully you can see which one will match your business better. Both schemes were set up to support small businesses financially during the crisis. The Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme was launched on the 23rd of March, with the Bounce Back Loan Scheme being launched on the 4th of May. So how much is available with each scheme? Now with the Interruption scheme, you will have access to up to £5 million. With the Bounce Back scheme, you will have access from £2,000 up to £50,000. However, there will be a cap with the Bounce Back scheme, having access to only 25% of your annual turnover. So what is available? Let's start with the Business Interruption scheme. The first options both are over 6 years, being the Business Term Loan and Asset Finance. The second options are over 3 years, being the Overdraft and Invoice Factoring. The Bounce Back scheme only has the one option, the Business Term Loan over 6 years. So how expensive is the finance going to be? Now with the Business Interruption scheme, the government have not set a specific interest rate for the lenders to charge, so it will come down to their discretion. With the Bounce Back scheme, the government has set an interest rate at 2.5% per annum. So with both schemes, will you have to sign a personal guarantee? With the Business Interruption scheme, there will be no personal guarantee required until the finance exceeds $250,000. For the Bounce Back scheme, there is no personal guarantee required. So what is a government guarantee? A government guarantee is a guarantee to the lender providing the funds. In the case of the Business Interruption Loan Scheme, it's 80%. Therefore, the government is guaranteeing to repay the lender 80% of the borrowed funds if you are unable to pay. The Bounce Back scheme has a government guarantee of 100%. The reason this is important is with a 100% guarantee, you are more likely to be approved by the lender as they will get 100% of the borrowed funds back. Disclaimer, you are still personally liable for the borrowed funds. The government guarantee just pays back the lender, so you still have full responsibility. For both schemes, the government will cover the interest payments for the first 12 months, and there will be no fees to get the finance. So to summarise, firstly, the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme. You have access to up to £5 million with a variety of financial options, the longest term being up to 6 years. There is not a set interest rate, and you will have to sign a personal guarantee with finance above $250,000. So now the Bounce Back Loan Scheme. You'll have access up to £50,000 dependent on your annual turnover. There's not a variety of finance available and the max term will be 6 years. There is a set interest rate of 2.5% per annum and there'll be no personal guarantee needed. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone is safe at home. For any more information, please click the link below which will take you to the Lending Front website, which is full of useful guides for unsecured finance.